Hello everybody, so welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to make the changes whatever we have pointed out in the last video. So if you haven't watched the last video, please go and check the playlist. This is a complete series of wipe code. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is homepage UI changes. So what I will do, I will just copy this and come back to cursor and paste this one here. So homepage slash landing page UI change navbar. Make the changes in this prompt. Add a navbar and login button on navbar. Make a complete SaaS type landing page. The app name is MyNotes. Okay, hit enter. So we told cursor that make the changes and the app name is now my app. Let's say whether it is identifying that, and if it is doing, then well and good. Okay, so basically now you can see if we come back to our browser and sign out here, boom, you see this? My notes, features, pricing. Anyways, we didn't ask for pricing and all. It gave the pricing, your notes organized and beautiful. Then see, there is some beautiful rich text editor. I don't know how exactly this is coming here, but we will try to see that as well. Everything you need: rich text editor, organized books, auto save. Oh my god. Then ready to get started, notes, privacy terms, all those things are up and running here. So see demo, it is coming to this sign in page. Basically our landing page is looking too good, right? Yeah, so yes, the landing page is looking too good. I'm loving it. If you want any changes, instruct the cursor with the prompt and it will give you this such a beautiful designed page. Okay, I will come back to cursor and I will click on keep all. Cool. Let's get to the next point is redesign the sign in page. Okay. I will click on redesign the signing page, add the form in the container, and again wait and watch. Okay, so what now it is saying is it has built the page. Yes, there we go. So the page is ready. As it is a demo, it is also showing that what is the demo URL for this one. So let's come back to the browser, refresh this and click on login, and there we go. We have a beautiful looking login page where it says welcome back, sign in to continue my notes. This is the demo account with the demo username and password, the email address field, password field, remember me, forget password, and new to my notes, create an account. So if I click on this, here we have this again old looking page. So let's make it beautiful. So come back to cursor. By the time it finishes this, let's go back to our browser and in the document, and let's take this one. I will copy this note. I will come back to cursor and it is already writing this, but we can start typing the prompt here. So redesign the signing page, and now I can say here in bracket in same design language of sign in page, SIGN, sign in page. Form contains name, email, phone number, password. Profile URL we don't want. Okay, and then oh wait, it is by default taking this and redesigning the sign up page. You see that? We don't have to tell that redesign the sign up page also. It is doing by himself redesigning the signing page. Let's wait and watch and see what exactly and how exactly the redesigning is happening. Okay, so let's wait and watch. I am too excited. But one more thing, if you notice here, is when we come to sign in page, you have a you have a button here back to home now. So if I click on this, I come back to home page, right? This is seriously too good. And let's come back to cursor now and let's wait and watch what and how exactly it is creating a page of sign up. Okay, looks like the sign up page is recoded. Let's go and watch based on the curiosity. I will click on sign up page and there we go. Yes, we have a beautiful looking page here as well. Few things which we don't want is this. So we will do some modification. What exactly it did? Whatever information was there, it redesigned with the same info. Basically, it doesn't know what new things we want, right? And what things we don't want. So that we will give in the new prompt. So as the redesigning is done, I will remove this redesigning line and I will just say form contain name, email, phone number, password, profile URL we don't want. And I will click on this return or send prompt button. Let's wait and wait for the magic. What I believe is when we are removing the URL of profile page from the form, I think there should be some changes in the database as well. Or maybe no, not in the database, because in database we will add the profile picture so that the profile picture placement is there in database. That is right. But in the form we don't want. So I think the only form will be updated here. Let's see that. So I believe the changes are already being done here. And let's go back to browser, refresh this, and I believe it is already refreshed also because I see full name, email address, phone number, password, confirm password, and create account. And then it says already have an account, sign in instead. And here also we have a back to home page. Awesome. And let's click on keep all. And see, in just 3 prompts, we redesigned the entire home page, we redesigned the sign in page, which is the login page, and we redesigned the sign up page as well. Uh, Basically, in 2 prompts, because login and sign up page was done within the same prompt, we just have to tweak the information there. Basically, like we don't want the URL or maybe the profile picture URL, something like that. But apart from that, everything was done in the single prompt for login and sign up. Okay. So let's get back to our document now and let's see what we have to do here. So after login, so let's do one thing. Let's come back here and click on login and let's do a login now. So I have the demo username and password here. I will click on remember and sign in. Okay, now the insights navbar is still looking the same. So let's come here and after login, I will just copy this, give it as a prompt. Let's read one more time. After login, instead of showing the user email and sign out button in the navbar, put it in a drop down and show the username instead of the email. Redesign of navbar is required. Which user after login? Hit enter and wait and watch for the magic. So you see this, there are some changes done in the header.jsx. There are 211 line returns for that and removed 24 lines. I am excited to see what the changes are done. So before it goes and give the conclusion and all, let's quickly go back to the browser, refresh this page and see. Yes, you see this demo. And if I click on this, it says demo, the email address, my book, setting, help and support, and sign out. Oh my God, this is looking really good, right? Like in 1 or 2 lines of prompt, it literally understands what we want and accordingly it makes the changes. This is too good. I am loving it. I am loving it. Let's go back to the cursor and see. Yes, it is still waiting and planning for some changes. By the time we'll see what is our next update, and I believe this 3 updates, what we will do it in the next video because I don't want this video to be too long and make you bore. So if you know already how to do that, I believe you can go yourself and start giving the prompt and see what exactly the output is coming, or else look for the next video and we will do the remaining changes in the next video. So see you in the next one.